Hey, when you get a second, can you try starting my car while I hold something down? Would you just turn my key while I hold this down? Ma'am, would you mind trying to start my car for me real quick? That just been start. Don't start yet. Hold on, just been stalling all day. Hold on, not yet.
Hey, what are you doing in my car?
He told me to just get in here and try to start it for him.
Who told you?
They kind of just left.
Hey, man, I don't know what to think. I come outside, you're sitting in my car.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was because he asked me to help him start it.
No, this is my car.
Oh.
No, I'm not kidding at all. Are you kidding?
Seriously, he told me to get in here. His car was broke down.
I go out there, I just go in and pay for gas and come out and you're stealing my car.
I ain't stealing your car. I'm at work. I'm on lunch. I was going in.
What are you doing in my car?
What?
What are you doing in my car?
That guy there told me to. He ran behind the building.
What guy?
What was he doing? Yeah, he took off running.
I didn't see anybody but you in my car. Yeah, I come out and she's stealing my car. I go in, I come out and she's sitting in my car.
No, some guy asked me to start.
That tall, skinny guy that just took off running that way?
I had the hood up and went and pay for gas and come out and you're in the car. Don't take off, hold on.
Hey, he did ask me to start his car.
I'm gonna have to call the police. I don't know what else to do. I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, do me a favor. Make sure there's no water coming out. I blew a head gasket. Make sure there's. Would you tell me if there's any water coming out my tailpipe?
Hey! 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 That's my car. What just happened?
He had the hood open.
Well, I come out, I saw you getting out of my car and he took off.
No, he,
Would you hotwire it?
no, he just turned the keys on it. He had the hood open.
Just because I left the keys in the car doesn't mean your buddy can steal my car.
Oh, I just pulled up, man, to get gas.
And your buddy took off and
No, I
stole
swear to
my
that's
car.
my car right there, man. I swear to God, I just pulled
Where'd
up.
he go? Who's he?
I don't
What's
know
his
who
name?
that is, dude. He just asked me for help,
What's
man.
his
I swear
name?
to God, I have no idea.
I'm gonna have to call the police. I don't know what else to
Okay.
think.
All right.
Was it Dave? Dwayne? Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
there. There's the guy right there. Right there.
Get in the car! Get in the car! Come on, get in the car! Come on!
Hold on,
Hey,
yeah,
get in the car!
I've been saving a step at Grant Line Road, and somebody just stole my car. I got a guy named Dave here, and his buddy just took off in my car. They're playing around with me.
No, I swear to God, man. I don't know nothing about what's going on. I just pulled up to get gas.
I saw Dave get out of my car. He got out of my car.
Jack, come here, get in the car.
He just went driving around and trying to get in there. I don't know if he's gonna hurt me or not. Yeah, he is. He's aggressive. Yeah, I'm stepping back away.
The guy's right there. There's the guy right there, man.
That's not my car. You're on a TV show, dude.
That's not funny, dude. That's not funny, dude.
That's him there?
Yes.
Behind all those cameras?
Huh?
Behind all the cameras in the van?
Oh my God! Oh my God!